When you're stepping up to 33s or 35s, your Toyota tire clearance becomes a real issue, especially at full lock or under flex. That's where the Super BMC comes in. A traditional body mount chop just isn't enough. We go deeper, cutting further back into the mount and reinforcing it for strength, giving your rig the clearance it actually needs without compromising structure. This isn't just about avoiding rubbing, it's about unlocking the full potential of your suspension travel and steering radius. Whether you're crawling rocks or daily driving with confidence, the Super BMC makes your setup work with your tires, not against them. To book your next appointment, go to restlessoffroad.com.